Hello, sir.
Cooper, idea. Full machine gun Lulu bot lane.
Say again?
Full machine gun Lulu bot lane. ADC.
Do it. Go.
Fuck you, I'm doing it.
Hell yeah, do it. Go. Bang. You better be doing it, man.
I'm doing it right now.
Okay, what the?
Oh god. Oh god. Fuck! Okay, we're gonna kill yourself. Oh, I've missed cannon again! Help me!
Oh, cool.
Oh, he's done.
You're done.
You're done. Oh, I could.
I don't need Cassante, bruh. Stop it.
Water! I don't live! Double kill. Oh, I missed it.
Damn, Nami. Nah, man. Alright, Lux maybe? Really? Nope. Oh, there is. Oh my god, triple heavy item too.
Oh no, fucking. Yeah! Yeah! Oh no, Viego! Viego! Wait. Oh, I'm dead! Oh no, I'm dead.
Person, what am I doing?
Mauricio, I can't move it anymore. Mauricio.
He lived! What the heck? Yeah, this is where you don't leave your teammates alone.
Oh, there's Twist of Fate. Okay. Jack's here. Need Zac. Oh, there's a Zac there.
What the? Corgi just 1v5 and got a penta.
What?
What?
Oh, am I dead?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Nothing. Me? Just hanging around.
Alright, Jin, let's go. 1v1, baby. Please.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer every night.
Nope. You think? Damn it, Lux, I'm being called out, you bitch.
Fucking it, man.
What the fuck? Wowie. Oh, get fucked, you two. Get fucked.
Just a pinch.
Oh, look at us, we're spamming the same mode 'cause we're adorable. Get fucked. Make me sick. What the fuck?
Gotcha. May the tides be at my mercy.
What the fuck?
A feat.
Oh, now you're gonna come down, bot, you bitch.
Leviathan's maw. Off we go.
I just killed myself. Why did I do it? Oh, no, please. Ah, fuck, he predicted me.
Why did you make me do this? You're fighting so you can watch everyone around you die. Think, Mark.
Help the bitch here.